change our gear and we moved to advertising to survive. So then we got some breakthroughs, initial breakthroughs happen, and
I remember Suresh uh, that crucial part, no, where this decision happened. So that Shivaji project that we were working on. तो हम लोगों ने मैं बाकी लोगों के लिए बोल रहा हूँ कि हम लोगों ने बहुत एक गंदा फिल्म बनाया था ना सुरेश.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
डिपार्टमेंट पूरा बंद होने वाला था. So बंद होने वाला था. That owner of famous studios, no, Arun Rumta. So I think so. Suresh came and told me that news कि एक रूम में बुला के कि अभी ना हम लोग का ये बंद होने वाला है. वो रूमटा ने बोला अभी he is not going to fund this anymore. तो अभी हम लोग को अपना पैसा खुद से कमाना है. Only then salaries and all will happen. So the first वहाँ से हम लोग का जो actual fun started from there. When we were all on our own. By default we went to all our seniors. Like again great. Full gratitude to Arnab and Adarsh. I think they were the first two people we went. एक MTV में था, एक Channel V में था, and we went and pitched them कि यार हम लोग कुछ भी करेंगे.
आदर्श का मेरे को याद नहीं है, but Shashank, Narayan came. Then he worked.
Narayan came much later, Suresh.
I went to Sonal. के साथ जाके Sonal helped us with some animatics. I used to do storyboards myself sometimes, and get some small money to run the thing, because that guy, the owner of Famous, said if you don't bring us the money, I'm not going to pay you this salary. He was very sure. He gave us 1 month grace time. If you don't get money, then you guys pack up. I don't want you guys here. So I said, 1 month, एक महीने का chance. I need 1 month chance. We'll bring money.
How much money are we talking about here?
Monthly salary used to be, it used to be, I don't know, 3-4 lakhs or 3 lakhs or something probably.
Okay.
But so many people were there. Already 15 to 20 people were working. Right. And I can't tell anybody that, you'll have to go. It was too much on my shoulders. So then we shifted the gear and started doing storyboarding, animatics, this, that. Then slowly, some work came. We never used to get to direct that time. We were given only animation parts. That was the only way in our industry animation used to be perceived.
A phenomenal amount of work happened that time. I remember that, right? I think Vaibhav and you guys did some phenomenal work across brands.
उसके बाद we were able to we did a lot of freebies. Channel V, Simpu is also a freebie sort of a thing. This Freedom Song also is a freebie. Almost no money we got, for that thing. So we used to invest our time and energy on such projects. But those projects started bringing commercial projects.
I see. Okay.
Which is something that I still believe in. If you put in your own funds and do some projects, that project will be satisfying to you. But it will also bring in commercial value business in some other way. So
that makes sense.
I think Suresh, I think Prabhala, what the main thing I feel the fun part that I remember are the projects that we pitched, where we pitched our ideas to. There were some ads, like Suresh said, that we would be given the execution task of it. But I don't even remember those. मतलब शायद मजा नहीं आया होगा उसमें. But the ones that we used to pitch our own idea, like say to Channel V, I think Suresh, we pitched a set of 8 films. The first 8 films, which different artists, all of them did different styles, and we pitched IDs. To MTV. Also we did, and then one of the Channel V IDs we done stop motion. So NID में हमने stop motion सीखा है, तो एक वो कथकली किया था ना overnight एक film बना के बेचा था उसको. Then after that, I think Cyrus Oshida from MTV, he saw कि अरे stop motion, and he wrote a script, beautiful. It's called Poga, MTV Poga. Amazing, it's like mixture of yoga and pogo stick. So and in his voice he scripted it, and that is like written for clay animation, and we made Poga. So all these things, and this was I think noticed by Amaron. When O&M was conceiving the Amaron campaign, they saw our clay animation work and they said, "क्या clay animation use करेंगे और बनाएंगे." So I think बहुत मजेदार, like the ones that we, I think that Rumta ने जो बंद किया ना, हमको जो deadline जो दिया था, वो that's a blessing. Because we started doing our own work.
Yeah, it empowered you to do face with challenges.
But what happened in that 3 or 4 months of us working together, during that famous project, It was like we were very strong unit. We became like a unit that wanted to survive together. So वो एक survival instinct बहुत strongly आ गया था. You know, I remember Geetanjali was there, and you know, so many other people who were there, that everybody wanted to work together, and so that survival instinct kind of became something else. You know, that energy was great of that team. Even though there was too much pressure, I mean, they didn't understand 20 minutes is possible in 3. You know, we asked for 6 months eventually. Three months is what I told. But, you know, like investors, they get impatient in the 3rd month. 3rd month onwards, they said, "Bus, enough." And हम लोग गलती से हमारा files delete किया. हमने we were doing.
आपके सामने जा रहा है, सब delete किया गलती से.
Yeah, some 20 minutes of animation which we had colored painstakingly. All of us used to color, okay? All of us used to make drawing, color. Everybody used to do. And one keyboard had the shift button pressed, and this girl kind of selected the last file of the whole folder and clicked and deleted. Boom.
Shift delete.
Shift delete.
I think Suresh, that Wacom ka jo that stylus was there, no? I think one side is eraser or something.
Yeah.
It was using that. तो वो erase को मस्त करके उसने दबाया और आधा शिवाजी उड़ गया उसमें से.
Full on.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद जो
हाँ बोलो सुरेश.
उसके बाद थोड़ा आवाज है. उसके बाद
sorry that's me.
तो उसके बाद जो we all had to like sit and paint. All of us used to take turn by turn from 6 in the morning till 2 in the night. We all used to paint because the deadline was too much. That guy would come and say 3 months हो गया, कहाँ है film? Because damn scary. Yeah.
So that's amazing, yeah, because you worked together for how long? Around 5 years?
5 years.
5 years. And then Vaibhav, you shifted on your own, because both of you have very distinct styles and very different way of thinking. And so how did you guys work together? How do you conceptualize a film? Let us say right from the time you have a brief, maybe Vaibhav, you can go first. That when an idea comes, when a brief comes to you, what are the next processes that you take? Because it's largely, you know, you have the single person driving it and then rest of the team follows, or is it together? How does it work?
See, I think like the process that I used to enjoy most were the ideas that we used to pitch on our own. Obviously, there were commercials which were the main bread and butter thing. So for me, I don't know, मैं वो प्रोसेस सब मेरे को याद ही नहीं है, बहुत गंदा हूँ मैं उसमें. तो वो कहानी सुन के ना एक मजा आता था दिमाग में. Like you could visualize certain things and you would want to do it a certain way. You could see it a certain way. So and then that image in your head, you just keep polishing it and then fleshing it out either in the form of a board, or you know, then whether it's puppets or whether it's hand drawn. So that is the only process that I have ever followed. बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने process वाला scene किया नहीं है. Instinctively जो अच्छा लगता था, and I would react very neutrally to the stuff. Like मुझे गंदा लग रहा है तो मैं I would try to, you know, get something better. अच्छा लगा तो I would be very मस्त है, मजा आता था बस. So Suresh, you should probably explain that better.
No, I think, you know.
Sorry, एक और चीज, for me it has always been, you know. Suresh, I just finish this. In my case, one most important thing, I would always rely on my experience. You know, something मेरा जीवन में से कुछ चीज जो मुझे excite करता है, I would try and put that in you know, if something excites me, that is the only connect, or that is the only reservoir that, you know, I would draw from. Suresh.
Very, very distinct style. I mean, his characters are very, very Vaibhav. I mean, there are many people who follow his sort of style also. But, you know, Vaibhav has a very distinctive style. So he has kept that, you know, there are two schools of basically work. I mean, like Pixar, like I'm comparing Vaibhav to Pixar or Aardman, you know, he has that sort of thing. For me, for my films, I have never kept one style. I think we have worked with so many mediums. I think for me, the fun was exploring different mediums, different kind of styles, looks. So that was something that always triggered, and probably that's why people came to us with a very open brief. They never came to me with an open, very clear. "Yahi chahiye mere ko," करके nobody came to us. So they come with a very open idea. So they start talking to me at an idea level. What do you think, Suresh? Or how do we start doing it? Then I would say that we can do it like this. These options are there, but I feel this is the strongest possible method to execute this film. So then people would actually discuss and decide. Many people are not aware of the possibilities in our industry, even though it's very few people. The education awareness level is very low. The way we are exposed by going to so many film festivals, so many films, being jurying, and all these things, this experience that we have, they are not aware of. So we have to kind of show them these are the possibilities. So that way we are able to introduce one new style. So that's what I've been doing. Of course, I draw in some sort of a style, but I also have so many different styles of drawing.
The medium also changes, right?
Medium, I keep changing it, and it's like my handwriting. I have some 15 different handwritings.
Okay.
It depends on the pen and the mood. So I have no single handwriting, which is quite crazy, but that's the way.
I remember. I mean, when I look at Vaibhav's the style, I think it's a very classical and it's very happy films. That Vaibhav's films are very happy and very cheerful, and a lot of depth in the whole thing. And I believe Vaibhav, is that one of the reasons why? I think I'm told there's a small trivia that you are a little scared of. You cannot see blood and you cannot see violence, right?
मेरे wife ने बोला रहेगा. Yeah, I faint. But I fainted in many films. Movie देखने गया था ऐसा सीट के अंदर ऐसा करेगा.
So there's another
because I imagine मतलब हीरो का खून वो निकलता है ना, तो actually वो मूवी था ना जैकी श्रॉफ का हीरो. That was the first time I fainted. So in that like villains have thrashed him and all. He is like पेट वेट फट गया है, फिर हॉस्पिटल में सब पट्टी वट्टी बांध के रखा है. He still go to save Meenakshi Shetty and they still hit him on the stomach, and so I'm imagining, oh shit, मेरा खून निकल रहा है and all, and I would faint. तो वैसा मैं बहुत imagine करके faint होता.
But मेरा एक different version है. I have a different take. I have a different take on Vaibhav's thing. I mean, Vaibhav may say he's fainting, but he loves the gory details of things. I know. I remember कोई मर गया है, ऐसे पड़ा हुआ था, तो इटी तो क्या बहुत खून उसका इंटेस्टाइन से बाहर आया था. So sometimes he would ask that question. I would like, Vaibhav क्या पूछ रहे हैं, मतलब he sees it in a very cartoon world. It's not like he's seeing it. He's seeing it with a gore. It's not like, but क्या पूरा आँख
I'm told he imagines himself in whatever is happening in real life in front of him, and then experiences what the other person is feeling.
इसीलिए मैं फेंट होता था. जैकी श्रॉफ फेंट नहीं होता था, मैं फेंट हो गया साला.
So one incident is that after I believe you went to watch Ghazini on a special invitation by Amir Khan.
Oh yes.
And he came back after the film and he sends a messages Amir Khan saying that this is fine, but you can do much better films.
नहीं मैं फेंट हो गया था उसमें भी. मैं और एक कोलीग ना, हम लोग 2 लोग गए, एंड इट्स लाइक वो फ्री प्रीमियर होता है ना, उसके लिए इनवाइट किया उन्होंने, एंड he would very sincerely ask for feedback also. Even like this started from Tare Zameen Par, like once our association happened and all, he would very sincerely ask for feedback, and he would hear you out. So for this also he called. I think after that he never called. So during that there is this metal huge rod which that villain go down on the floor and then he hits him on the head. तो sound आकी ना मेरा ऐसा तब उस दिन से ऐसा हो गया मेरा सर. तो हमारे पास फ्री का पॉपकॉर्न सब था ऐसा गोद में बड़ा सा एक, तो वो लेके मैं ऐसे बाजू में मेरे कोलीग को दिया, बोला पॉपकॉर्न पकड़ो आप, और मैं ऐसे करके मैं पिघल गया सर सीट के अंदर. अरे बाप रे. So after that I wrote and all, like it's like South Indian violence and all was there, so I didn't like it.
So amazing, yeah, amazing. Guys, you have moving on to, I think both of you have won, I mean, phenomenal awards. I think international awards, right from your work for Lamport and Suresh for your own production films. own produced films. So this is another story. I think you are also making a feature film, Vaibhav, and Suresh, you've been also producing films. So how much do these awards really matter to you? Because after having received so many awards, I think you must be on top of at a different level altogether, right?
Yeah, there's a trivia. We in our studio we used to keep all the awards outside. So there was once a guy who came to the studio and said, "ये trophy बनाने के लिए क्या आप लोग charge करते हैं?" मतलब they they thought कि हम लोग मस्त trophy design करते हैं हमारे company में, and they some guy came and asked like general rate. No, but it's what it does is. Uh, it gives a lot of boost, and especially when the film travels around the world, there's so much of connection that you make. People, like-minded people, appreciate your work, and these are all niche films. You know what we make and put it up in the film festivals are very niche films. They're not like uh, blockbusters, or like it's not like the most funniest films that we make. So it is nice to connect with that artistic community, and I like to be with those sort of artistic community. I like the exchanges that that happen between all of us. So it is. I really feel it is important, and when you, of course, it's a good PR also in one sense. Once people know that you won this award, that award, people recognize you in a different league altogether. And so, of course, it reflects in business in a very different way too, because your valuation goes up even for commercials and other things that we are working on. So it's not really calculated like that, but I've seen that as a trend. It benefiting us in a nice way.
I see.
But
What about you?
more than anything, traveling to festivals is great fun. That's something that I really love.
Vaibhav?
For me, Bala, I think the very first 5 years, there was a lot of josh. अवार्ड सब मिल रहा है, सब बहुत खुशी था. अभी नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. मतलब अभी we don't even send anywhere. We don't even send our films. Like that Lamput thing happened because Cartoon Network entered it. We didn't even know they had entered it for Emmys. So that interest somehow is not there at all. Like Suresh said, there it is a big encouragement, no doubt. But I really like when the audience feedback comes. No, or of the first point is when we are damn excited with something we created. That is like the entire team enjoys that process. We are happy with whatever output came out, and then we are so curious. Yeah, audience kya bolega? That excitement is there, and this sending it for award, that intention itself does not come. Sometimes there are entry fee, and also that is even more dampening. मतलब मैं क्यों पैसा डालूं? मैं हमारा फिल्म बना रहे हैं ना, एक सीक्वेंस बनेगा, वो पैसा डालूंगा तो मुझे एंट्री फी उसमें भेजना ही नहीं है मेरे को. So and you can share your films with everyone globally. The festival part is amazing because when you go visit certain festivals, watch different kinds of films, you see how different people are telling their stories so uniquely. So many ways of telling their stories, or using the medium or using the craft in so many different ways. So that is a very big learning. But the award thing, after a point ऐसा लगता है अच्छा है, हमको मालूम था अच्छा है, अभी बाकी लोगों ने भी बोल दिया अच्छा है, तो we are going the right direction. There's no doubt about that. But more than that, for me, I think over the years that working on short format content, I was not enjoying it so much. Like I was very keen to tell longer stories. So somehow that's why this gradual migration to feature film or episodic content, because various formats of storytelling is very, very exciting. I would get excited with the story. Like I said in the beginning, for TV commercials also, when you read a script, if the story is exciting, then I'll flesh it out. I can see so many things beautifully in my way. So for me, I think I need to learn storytelling properly. Like right now with a feature film, अभी हम लोग आप नींद में ऐसा थप्पड़ मार के उठाओगे तो भी एक ad film अच्छे से बना. Still doing it, and we try to make it as much fun as we can. In fact, even the commissioned work, I do not like it because, like somehow, again, by God's grace, our own ideas that we pitch to our client is what is supporting us. Like for the last so many years, I think we've drastically cut down on commercials. The commercial is you're making someone else's film.
Vaibhav, but both of you are making a film on your own initiative, investing a lot of money. I'm sure there must be a lot of money that you put in into making it your own products. And then it's a very high risk initiative, right? So when you make the film, and selling is another art. How do you make the decision first, and how do you sell it?
Suresh, should I go?
Yeah.
Yes,
Bala, what I think is selling it so far in the short format, we've been very successful. Like hamara pura, like our entire team salaries, everything is happening, and we are able to fund our feature film. The feature film is no doubt a big challenge for us, because we don't know where we are going to sell it, how we are going to sell it. But if we don't make a long story, that is a learning for us. I'm not going to learn if I don't make a film. Because I can see कि मैंने कितने वो चीज किया, हम लोगों ने मिलके बहुत से वो चीज किए हैं उसमें, and that is how we are evolving or we are learning. So that film is no doubt a guinea pig, but till we make that film, we'll not learn. Like, I'm sick of this short 30-seconders and all. I don't like, okay, I will do it, but this is a different addiction altogether. And in the short format, like earning the money is not difficult at all. Like I said, we've almost reduced TV commercials entirely. Like very, very few regular clients, unka kaam hum log karte hain. But otherwise, we are pitching our own concepts to so many people, and our entire bread and butter is coming from our own concepts. So it's our own ideas that we are sharing, and it's earning, the entire team, is earning together. So that energy which even Suresh described, like Famous May, when that thing was there, I think when you are doing your own story, different members of the team, they contribute such beautiful pitches. Right. I really like that. I really like, when other people in our team direct films, because there are such mad people in our team. And it is refreshing for me. It is so refreshing for me, Bala, because like Suresh said, ki ek style mein main atka hu. Even if I try to do something, when I get bored of my own style, I try to do something else. I may not like it. So there is a certain daira beyond which, even if I force myself, I would not like going outside. I'm very happy in that daira, having fun. Similarly, when other people direct our films, with us in our team, they bring in their unique magic into the film, and it's very refreshing for me. मतलब उनके साथ जब आप काम कर रहे हो, तो it is so refreshing.
Great. I think Suresh, what is your take?
No, my take is a little different, because I'm more leaning towards artistic film. Somewhere I feel there is because I've been with that world of film festivals and other things. I really love that other side of animation. And in Vaibhav's case, he specializes in cartoon. So which is a much more, 90% of animation is cartoon. So 95%. There is only 5% or 10% of animated content which are other sort of storytelling, and which is not generally humorous also. So what film festivals and other stories is, I love the narrative of those stories, and I really enjoy creating such sort of pieces on the side. So I feel, and I love advertising. Very contrary to what Vaibhav says, I love advertising because it's a 30-second or a 1-minute thing, but people come to me with absolute open-ended solution. They don't say that, do this animation, that animation. I work with live action. I love live action also as much as animation. I mean, I like directing with real people. So, for me, it's a canvas that keeps me going for a couple of months, and we all work figuring out what is the best way to do that. There's a lot of exploration and learning. It's a very short time, but learning is huge with every film that you make. Yeah, once it gets, like Vaibhav said, if it is getting too typecast and people want similar sort of stories and ideas, which is a problem. So we also tell people that we don't want to associate with such films. So people also like kind of get startled, like we are offering so much money and they don't want to do it. So they also come back to us when they have a great idea. So that way, refusing is also a great thing. When you refuse, they kind of come back to you very well prepared. That this standards, we go them with standards. So we have. Current films, if I have done, no one film looks like another one. So which is a reason why people also are very careful to collaborate. So short film, feature film, want to make. I don't know whether I would make an extremely funny film, which is, amazing photography Vaibhav. Humor is his forte. But I don't think I would go completely out and out funny film.
Okay.
I mean, if I'm making a feature, you have to be leaning towards more funny. You have to be, because most of the blockbuster feature films are funny. But I really look up at Miyazaki. His films are not you know LOL, ROFL sort of a film. They are very poignant. They have very very deep messaging. So that's something that I like. So we have different genres working.
Yeah. But do you think do you get to convince people easily because of your beard? Because Vaibhav doesn't have this.
Vaibhav has a shrine, no? He has a halo, and I have a beard. I'm also developing a little bit of halo, but
on the record, Suresh was the youngest in our batch, and he now looks the oldest. I think he uses it to his advantage.
I know there is definitely an advantage, Bala. I don't know, these elderly people, like people about 50, 60 and all, when I enter a room, they stand up and they call me sir, and they don't talk to me. Another thing is, youngsters don't talk to me about fuck, and they don't use any of those words in front of me. They keep very careful wordings in front of me, which I feel is not a good thing, because I need to also interact with them freely. So comes in between that. But
maybe Vaibhav will have a better story. Vaibhav, your story. Is he what he's saying? Is it true?
Beard,
yeah. Beard is like the first interpretation. No, अरे वो story आपको बताता हूँ, पुष्पी वाला. कल जो आपको सुनाया था. There is that O&M creative director, like during one of the Amaron meetings, we'd gone to meet him. Both ET and I both have gone, and I think that time the beard was turning white. So you were saying yes, white हो रहा है, मतलब बुजुर्ग वाला जो scene है. So पुष्पी said कि यार क्या बाल सफेद हुआ तो क्या हुआ? दिल तो काला है. दिल तो काला है.
So, Suresh, you should dye green.
Yeah, Sajid has a question. Sajid, I think we are almost out of time.
Wind it up with one last question, if you guys don't mind. One is one thing which we were discussing and noticed is in both your work, music plays a very, very integral part. It's almost like another character. I've seen your short films, your self-funded films, the work which you do. There's a lot of thought process which has gone into music, and that stands out from everything else. So the question is, how do you go about thinking about the music? How do you work on it? And after you answer each of you, if you can sing one song. Everybody's also asked for Vaibhav to sing Jumru and Suresh to quickly do one session before we wind up. So how do you interpret music? How do you weave in music into your work? And if you guys can quickly do one quick demo also.
This was unexpected. No, this was unexpected. Singing.
No, as in the गाओ मत आप वो answer दो ना music वाला. Because I also really like the music in their films. Very beautiful music. So there's something definitely the way he directs the music composers, or gives them certain references. Like very that Usha sewing machine was like one of the very first films from Ixodus where I really loved the music. Was so beautiful.
I get very involved with the music part here. I mean, in general, for the audio of the film, especially because we all studied animation, right? I mean, so in animation, as you all know, almost 60% of the life comes from audio. So and I'm very fascinated by music, and dealing with music directors, talking to them, interacting with them. And I know the lingo to talk to them. And, because of some understanding of music that I have, they also kind of take my points seriously. And they feel much better working. They actually push themselves much more when they work with me. That's what I feel. And some of them have told me also. And I love that zone of music and sound.
I think your voice is breaking here. Suresh, your voice is breaking.
Audio part. I think internet connection.
Now it's fine. Now it is back.
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah. So, I really love the zone, that music zone that one gets into during the production of the film. That's something that I really look forward to. And because of the connection that I make with the music directors, we get the best. Somehow it happens to be the best.
Yeah, Vaibhav.
Bala, I think I don't think our films the music is the main highlight. Like at least it doesn't enter first in my head. It's more of sound. Like sometimes it can even be the way characters speak, or the way sound should play out for a particular scene. So I think that question is more valid for Suresh, because in his films music is like really like I have as an audience I have observed that as a very unique.
You also work with.
Yeah.
I think what Sanjit meant is soundtrack. I don't think he specifically meant music, because
so
you
I
also
think-
work on
So
audio.
and
right,
sound.
Yeah, audio. Sound
Yes,
design
yes,
is what
yes.
he's meaning. You also work a lot on the sound,
Yeah.
voice characters and stuff. You work. So
Right,
I've seen
right.
you working also. So,
Yes, I enjoy.
So that is great. I
enjoy
think we are
that.
completely out
Somehow,
of
you know,
time. We are completely out of time, and we'll have to wind up here, because we would love to continue with the stories. And thank you, Suresh, as well as Vaibhav, for taking time out. It was really amazing to talk to you and really understand. I think the whole thing about making your own films and making your own sending your own stories out in the world is really amazing. I think we wish you all the best, and hope really that all these films we see it on big screen very soon.
So
Yeah.
we're going to
Thank
end
you.
with
Thank
Vaibhav
you.
singing Jumru.
Acha, हाँ, Zumru. Zumru,
Vaibhav can sing.
and Suresh also,
Right.
one more song. Suresh, there's a
Acha,
lot
Jumru.
of both of you.
Jumru इसे हाई यार मैं गाएगा तो सो जाएगा वो.
So you start to then end on high.
Krishna said in
Jumru.
PDF, he took out the phone, looked at the lyrics like Bijoli is going to sing, and he goes, for half an hour, he's looking at the lyrics for that. He should always prepare.
गाओ. Vaibhav, सुना दो.
मिला नहीं मेरे को. I couldn't find. हाँ.
I think he was a Mood Indigo hero of the winning team.
Go for it, Vaibhav.
और बहुत सारे साबुन लेके आए थे वापस.
साबुन ले. सुरेश आप गाने वाले हो?
No.
नहीं आप गाओ पहले.
ठीक है.
Vaibhav.
ओके चलो जुमरू. मैं हूँ झुम 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 झुमरू पकड़ घूमू बन के घुमरू मैं ये प्यार का गीत सुनाता चला मंजिल पे मेरी नजर मैं दुनिया से बेखबर बीती बातों पे धूल उड़ाता चला मैं हूँ झुम 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 झुमरू पकड़ घूमू बन के घुमरू मैं ये प्यार का गीत सुनाता चला मंजिल पे मेरी नजर मैं दुनिया से बेखबर बीती बातों पे धूल उड़ाता चला
वाह क्या बात है fantastic है.
Amazing, man.
Oh,
That was
super,
amazing.
super. It's so nice to hear you, Vaibhav.
Suresh, go for it.
Thank you.
Suresh is going for it.
Kamal. Amazing. Okay. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे
सबको खड़ा होना पड़ेगा.
भाई खड़ा हो गया. You can't ऐसे नहीं भला.
Manyar होते Manyar होते.
Suresh and Vaibhav, there's a lovely character for your next animation film. I'm just going to spotlight Raj Kala. Just see that fluttering T-shirt. It's a character.
ऐसा तिरंगा झंडा हमारा राज का है.
Hey, lovely. Suresh.
Bala, can you
Okay,
give us one time?
I think Bala Pandey and Sheetal are also there. तो उन लोग को मेरा बहुत बहुत प्रणाम. Like Simpu का one of the caretakers was Sheetal and Pandey मेरा मेरा अरे
Pandey.
Hey Sajid अरे Sheetal.
Hey, Sheetal.
You're on mute, Sheetal.
Unmute yourself.
Yeah,
I'm
done.
trying. Okay, so every time I'm judging Promax, and I'm doing it right now, every year, it's just like I just wait for an entry that is from Vaibhav Studios, because then I know, because there are all these like, you know, you have different kinds of categories where you do 60%, 90%. If it's okay, then you give it a 40. And then if it's decent, you give it a 60. And then you get 98, because how can you give someone 100? So then like, oh, there's an entry from either Suresh or Vaibhav, and it ends because otherwise everything's so crap. So it's just like waiting every year. So this year I think Vaibhav is, you know, it's his the Guju one, yeah, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, if you're saying you don't look at sound design, if Simpu is not sound design, if any of your things is not specifically sound design, you're gonna kick yourself in your ass.
Hey Sajid, you just put spotlight on everybody, you know. Let's see everyone once quickly before
Yeah, I
leaving.
think they don't know who all are there. I think.
Yeah. They seem like small thumbnails. You should say hi to everyone.
Yes, Rahul Datta.
Guys,
Rahul is there.
Arre,
put
wow.
your video on. Put your video
Lovely,
on. So let's...
lovely.
Oh, lovely. Hi, Rahul.
Rahul, hey.
Hi, Rahul.
Hey, Rahul.
Good to see you guys, man.
Wow, super. Yeah. I think there should be one session where we just chat. Yeah, we should be chatting with everyone.
Hey, Nisha.
Acha, hi. Hey, Priya. Hi.
What's up?
Wow.
Lovely.
Hi, Kavita.
Hey, Kavita.
Great. That's nice. Ishma.
Hi.
Uh,
Years and years and years, yeah.
Oh, Shekhar.
Hey, Shekhar.
Hey, Shekhar. Hi.
Hey,
Hi, guys.
Lovely. So
Yeah,
nice.
this is random.
कौन है? PJ किधर है? PJ?
Where is he?
Sajid.
Oh, they all left, I think. और सब
Okay, guys.
Sajid.
Yankee, Jiggy, everybody
All right.
there. Okay.